Yes! Okay, we are back. Oh, the car starts. I just changed the battery on the car and it starts up. First go, first time. I'm just going to move the car in the garage and then we'll start going on this fluid change excursion. You guys can see under the car for the first time. This car doesn't have a aftermarket exhaust on it. It's still a stock exhaust, but you guys just wait and see. Probably gonna roast me and laugh. It is what it is. Not my job, previous owner's job. Just wait, because you guys will laugh. Gonna change a bunch of fluids, except the transmission fluid, because I'm just waiting to get my transmission service kit delivered. We're gonna change some engine oil, some diff fluid, power steering fluid, and change brake. Pretty sure it's like any other diff fluid change and engine oil change and power steering and brake fluids. I'm just going to go smash it out just so I know the fluids have been changed and they're good. Road dirt and stuff on the diff, but the diff is pretty grimy. Yeah, we're going to have to check that out and see what's happening with that. Hopefully the car doesn't drop, because that would be really bad. It's got like a small mohawk thing happening right here, which is great. Well, I can't do the diff fluid. I don't have the right size bit to go into the Allen key hole. So yeah, we're going to do that when the transmission stuff comes in. Yeah. The one thing I hate about getting new cars is you need to buy more tools to fit this specific car, especially when you go from JDM to Euro. It uses like your Torx and like your Allen bits, just like random sizes you don't usually use on a JDM car you need to buy for the Euro car. So yeah, we're just going to be expanding the toolbox now. Show you guys what underneath looks like. This is the diff. Yeah, I don't know if that's just road dirt or if it's actually leaking. I don't know, but that's pretty bad. No, that's just road dirt. I don't think this diff fluid has been changed for like ever. I don't think so, because the state of this is terrible. Holy crap. Even this filler plug up here, that's just full of road dirt and just grime. Even these axles here, man. It's, oof, look at that. Yuck. Oh. Look at that, far out. Dang. Okay, so yeah, diff I can't do today because this Allen bolt up here is too big for any of my Allen bits. And also, here's my exhaust, right? So this is the state of my exhaust. Yeah, there's wire. I don't even know what this is. This is like, this isn't even tape. What is that? It's like a plastic wrap. Melted, dude. Far out. What melted on the exhaust? What were you guys thinking? There's some more right there. The front part is like duct taped together. So yeah, that's why the exhaust sounds kind of loud, because it's just a bunch of exhaust leaks everywhere. We're going to need to find an exhaust for this car. I don't even know how to make this video interesting now. We're just doing basic things for the Merc. So yeah, hope you guys stick around. I want to see if I need to jack up the car, because if I don't have to, I don't really want to. It's undershroud off. What is that? Oh yeah. What's this? Oh, that's gross. That's like fat. What is that? Oh, yuck, this is so gross. I don't know what that is. Yuck, that's legs. I think that's legs. Let's take this undershroud off and let's see what that is. I have no clue what that is. That's like, that's dried up. Is that a fruit? Oh, he's squid. Oh, yuck. No clue. Oh, it was so wrinkly in the. So when I saw the car, there was some type of like silicone. I couldn't open this. This was like super hard when I bought it. That's what looks like. Some of you guys might have seen that as a big red flag. Look, I did as well, but at the same time I checked the oil, the fluid and everything, and it was all fine. I went ahead and bought a new one. This is not OEM, obviously. This is just from the local parts store. Fits perfectly. I'm just going to clean up all this. First mod, new oil filler cap. My first proper look under the car with the undershroud off and actually see what's happening under the car. See if there's any leaks or anything major I need to replace ASAP. I should jack the car up, but yeah, that's alright. Pretty sure that oil leak right here is from the oil cap, so I'm just gonna wipe that down. I don't know if this is supposed to be this loose. This is hella loose. I want to change that up and change the tension, because that's really loose for some reason. That's scaring me. Probably the biggest thing is all this oil here. Oil is draining right now. Had a little issue finding the oil filter, but the oil filter is on top. I had no clue, so it's at the back right here. So I don't know if you just take this out and then the oil will splatter everywhere down, or I don't know how this works. As you can see, I have no clue what I'm doing. No clue what I'm doing, but we are here. That's the oil filter. Get a rag and then so you can wipe all that off. That should be good. New oil filter, and then we'll put new oil in this bad boy. I don't know how much oil we need. About 5 liters? I think that should be enough. Let me have a look. Let me double check that. New oil filter here from Sakura. Yeah. Hopefully this works. It's the same size, length. Hopefully it's the same thread, pitch. Tasty. Man, every time I go from here to here, I always hit my head on this. I'm used to shaving, so I always hit my head on this. It says 7 liters. I've got 6 liters. So that will be just under 4, which is pretty good. Done, tightened up, everything's in. Now, let's start the car. Start that car! Start that car! Let's go. Surely we are good. You know, it's a good sign when this drops out of the sump. Pretty sure this is like stop leak. You know you're in for a good time when this drops out. I was looking to do the serpentine belt, but I can't do that as well, because apparently we need to take off this fan that requires a special Mercedes tool. I have no clue. I'm sorry this has been kind of like a boring video, but thank you so much for watching this far. I really do appreciate it. I promise the videos for this Mercedes will get more and more interesting the further we go. This here is the power steering fluid reservoir. So what I'm going to do, let's hope, okay, I made that look harder than it actually was. It's lit off. Oh dang. Pretty sure there's supposed to be a power steering fluid reservoir filter. Yeah, that doesn't have one. That's interesting. I'll have to buy a new filter for that. New fluids in. I'm just going to start the car, turn it, and stuff like that. Oh, the car feels great. The car feels great. We'll see after like a whole week or so. And let's see if I actually use the right fluids. I forgot how boaty this car feels. Gosh, after driving the Z that's so planted, man, this car is literally, it's a boat and a half. Oh dang, let's go. Oh, this thing rips. Every time I drive this car, I've got a huge smile on my face. I need sway bars, I need a whole bunch of stuff to make this car not boaty at all. I love driving this car. I love driving this car. Oh, brother, don't, brother, let's go. So the car is washed, well, I guess bathed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little maintenance video. Yeah, there will be a part 2 to this maintenance video because I need to do what I couldn't do today. We've got some really exciting things coming. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and yeah, join the family. All right, peace.